Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I want to show you how to keep people from following you on X. So to stop people from following you on X, you have to make your account private by turning on the feature that is called Protect Your Posts. So let's go to profile picture in the top left. Now in the side menu, you have to scroll down until you reach settings and privacy. Now in your settings, go to privacy and safety section, and at the top go to audience and tagging. Now the very first feature that you should see is protect your posts. Let's turn this on. This feature is responsible for making your account private. And from this moment, anyone new who wants to follow you on X, they must send you follower requests that you must manually approve or decline. So to find this tab, you need to tap your profile picture once again, and in the side menu from the list of functions over here, you need to go to follower requests, and from here you can decline your new followers. But to remove existing followers, you can do soft block even without making your account private. So if you still want to have your account public, then you'll need to perform soft block method. So let me show you on visual example how it is, how it's done. I'm going to my profile, and I should go to my followers tab. At the top, select followers and go to specific profile that you want to, specific user that you want to remove as your follower. And now to do a soft block, you need to block this user and then immediately unblock them. This will basically remove this user as your follower, and on top of that, they will not be notified about that. So you need to tap three-dot button in the top right and select option to block this user. Now you want to confirm it by tapping block. And now let's quickly unblock them by pressing this blocked button. Select unblock. And now if I go back to my followers, you can see that there is no such user. So I have just removed this user as my follower. And yeah, that were the main two ways how you can remove your existing followers and your future followers on X. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.